Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb messages not sending step by step. First, check your internet connection and just make sure that it is stable. A weak or slow connection can prevent messages from being sent. Next, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for Airbnb, swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen it again. Then restart your phone to clear system issues that may be interfering with the app. Next, go ahead and head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for Airbnb, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may cause messaging problems. Now, if you're using a browser, refresh the page or clear cache and cookies. If messages still do not send, wait for a few minutes and try again, as the issues could be due to temporary server problems. That's how you fix the Airbnb message not sending. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.